Did you know your sense of smell is the fastest way to rewire your brain for success? It's amazing how powerful it is. When you breathe in something, you immediately know what it is. You smell it and you're like, whoa, that smell reminds me of. For example, if I say chocolate chip cookies, what's the first memory that comes into mind? Probably remember coming home from school, your mom taking them out of the oven. This is faster than affirmations and mindset work. This is what's going to set your brain up for success. Hey everyone, I'm Drennon, your wealth activator, certified aromatherapy practitioner, and I've been using scent to help regulate the nervous system, align our subconscious with our conscious to get the financial freedom we desire. And on January 7th, I want to invite you to the Calm Cash Flow workshop, where I will be demonstrating, this is interactive, I will be demonstrating aromatherapy to first calm our nervous system so that we can connect with money on a personal level. You see, you think you have a physical problem with money, but in reality, it's emotional, and it's time to fix it. For $37, this is the best gift you can give yourself. You can join me for 90 minutes and I will teach you the exact strategy that helped me pay off $100,000 worth of debt in 6 months, move to my dream home at the beach, and retire from my career job 2.5 years early. And I gotta tell you, it's simple, but you have to want to implement it. And this doesn't involve restricted budgets or complicated spreadsheets. It all starts from the inside out with you mastering the power of dating money using aromatherapy. So I want to hop into what aromatherapy does for you. It's faster than journaling. It's faster than your mindset work. You can recite all the daily affirmations, and we do daily affirmations with aromatherapy. But if you don't take aligned action, if you don't have a plan for your money, it doesn't matter. It's not going to work. So I'm going to be sharing with you today the exact wealth scent routine I use and I teach my clients that helped us stop self-sabotaging our money, calm the nervous system, and make clear, confident financial decisions that actually stuck. When you combine certain scents, it helps to regulate your nervous system. They're designed specifically from the earth to help you connect. So when you breathe in the oil into the olfactory system, it hits the amygdala and it releases. It helps channel through. Think of it as like a blocked pathway. So it opens up those emotions and starts to redefine. You start to think, okay, I remember this, how this happened. And oh, I forgot, this is what happened afterwards. So you can actually redefine your goals. And it's not, manifest money and hope it'll come. I hope it works. I'm abundant. I get so much money. Please, that's awesome. I'm glad you have a positive attitude, but you need action because eventually you're going to burn out because you're telling yourself one thing, but you're not doing it. So your brain's confused and it's like, oh, well, I don't know. You said this and now you're doing that. So nothing works, right? And then you get burnt out and you quit. You end up quitting. So this financial aromatherapy is backed by science. It's backed by strategy, and it's the missing piece most money conversations never address. So here's what most people don't realize. Money stress doesn't live in your spreadsheet. It lives in your nervous system. When you're anxious, overwhelmed, or feeling behind, when you feel like you're just making ends meet, your brain is in survival mode. And in survival mode, you overspend. You're looking for that dopamine hit. You're trying to calm yourself down. You avoid looking at your numbers. You see money come in. You think, oh, I'm closing a $10,000 client tomorrow. And that money is gone before you even received it. You spent it. You've paid your bills. You paid down your debt. You paid your rent. And all of a sudden, you're broke again. You make reactive decisions or you freeze completely. Smell is processed directly through the limbic system, the emotional center of your brain. That means scent bypasses logic and goes straight to memory, emotion, and safety. So I want you to try this. Instead of trying to force more money, hustle, bustle, better money habits, I want you to learn signal safety first and ask yourself this question. Even write it down in your journal. When does my body feel safe with money? This is something we're going to be focusing on in the workshop on January 7th. So be sure to sign up, iDateMoney.com cash flow workshop. The link is in the show notes. Money loves clarity. Money wants boundaries. I was doing a podcast interview today and the host had said, I really need to restrict my money. I cringed, was like, no, don't restrict your money, because you immediately tell yourself that money is off limits. It can't do certain things. Money wants to be used and multiply. It wants to be welcomed. And when you have a plan for your money, when you have healthy boundaries for your money multiplies. I'll give you an example. I implement the money multiplier system. This is 10% fun money. Most people, especially women, will not allow themselves to have fun money. I got to pay my bills. I got to take my kids here. I have to do this. You don't understand. I can barely pay my mortgage. You want me to have 10% fun money? Yes. You work hard for your money. Why not use it and enjoy it? So I have a rule. Every week I date money. When I get paid, 10% goes onto a dedicated card earmarked for fun. And whatever I consider fun, I got to go do it. So some months there's over $1,000 of fun money. And my rule is that I have to spend it by the end of the month. Because when you're constantly working and using your money to pay your bills, to pay down your debt, you start to get burnt out and you don't start to take care of yourself. And then you start to be resentful towards your money. You start to hate that job. I don't want to do this. I'm going to burn it all down. Sound familiar? When you think about it, when you have a plan in place, you will be successful. And I have decades of financial knowledge. I've been doing this since 1987. Yes, 1987. I'm that old. But I still found myself in debt. I filed bankruptcy at 22, promised that judge I would learn everything about finances, and I did. I spent my whole career doing it. Took all kinds of certification classes to become a money coach, psychology of money, became a profit first professional, did all the things so I could master the money. And I thought, here I am. I hit my 40s and I got a 0% credit card offer in the mail. And I'll never forget that day. And I thought, at that moment, I was standing outside my garage smoking a cigarette and I was opening my mail and there was a Discover card offer, credit card offer for my, at that time, 17-year-old son. And I was ticked. Why is my 17-year-old son getting a credit card offer? And then I looked at it and I thought, whoa, 0% for 12 months? I want this offer. I wonder if I can cash it in. So I did. I called up, gave them my information. I said, hey, I got this code. It wasn't for me, but it was sent to my house. Can I use it? And they're like, yeah, absolutely. Let's see if you qualify. And I did. $10, 0% for 12 months. I felt like I was a millionaire. I felt so rich at that time. And I thought, well, what am I going to do with it? What do I really want to do with it? I really wanted to remodel my house, my bathroom specifically. So I thought, well, how can I get this money to do that when I have to pay the contractors in cash? So I had this all researched out. I had wanted to remodel this bathroom for a while, and I had all the homework done. So I started putting my groceries on the credit card and saving my cash money for groceries, because I was using the envelope system to save for the contractors. And within 3-4 months, I had that new bathroom and I was ecstatic. And then I thought, well, I got 8 more months, 9 more months to pay off this credit card. So guess what? I decided not to. And this cycle happened 11 more times. I remodeled 2 other bathrooms, kitchen. I went on vacation. I bought a car. I bought my kids' cars. I did all kinds of things, good things. But at the time, I didn't know it. Well, I kept this all for my husband. And before you knew it, I was drowning in debt. All the 0% were running out and I had nowhere. Was irresponsible with the money. And I looked and I thought, how can I be in this position? I'm a financial coach. I know how to budget. Like, what is wrong with me? Not a good question to ask yourself. And so when I realized I couldn't turn to another financial coach, because how embarrassing is that? And I thought, well, I can't continue to coach people on this because, hello, I'm in debt. And at this time, I didn't even know. I was afraid to look at those numbers. So what did I do? I kept working. More money will solve my problem. And it hit me one day. I was working with my marketing coach at the time, and she told me to start in the modules with the money mindset. And there was another coach in there teaching art how to use art to break patterns of different emotional money stories that we have. And I thought, emotional spending problems? Is that what I have? We want to give it a label, don't we? So I got into this module and got connected with this coach and decided to work with her. And it was the biggest investment that I had ever made at that time. But within 3 months, I had regulated my nervous system when it came to spending. And at that time, I was a certified aromatherapy practitioner. And I thought, wait a minute, if artwork can do it, can't oils do it too? Guess what? It was magical. The power behind it. Our bodies are so fascinating. It accelerated the process so much faster. And when I identified the root cause of this emotional spending problem, I was able to sit and open up my books and create my money map. So my first money map laid out in one convenient place, my assets, my income, my expenses, and my debt. And as a money coach, we called our debt, we created an I love debt worksheet because so many people hate debt, but debt is just borrowing from your future self. So once I looked at this debt worksheet and I looked at what I did with my money, I thought, wait a minute, I didn't blow it. I did good things with this money. So that's when I realized something. The reason why I was avoiding my numbers, I had everything on set. When I filed for bankruptcy, I promised that judge and I set everything up on autopilot. I had all my money coming out of my paycheck, going into savings and investments. And I was building that up, but I told myself, I'm not going to look at that because it's so far into the future. But I knew I was being secured. I knew that I was financially safe. What I didn't have was that fun money, was that ability to say to my money, okay, this is what I want to do with you. I had 3 jobs. I was working full-time, overtime, and I had 3 side gigs. So I had multiple income streams coming in, but yet I felt broke. I would get paid and I'd be like, there's not enough money. What defines enough money? And the reason why I was avoiding my numbers was because I didn't have a money problem. I had a relationship with money problem, and no system, no budget, no QuickBooks, no accountant, no bookkeeper was going to work until my nervous system felt regulated, until I calmed my emotions down. And this is when I realized pairing aromatherapy with money actions shifts everything. And here's the simple routine that I use and that I teach my clients. And I'm going to dive deeper into this at the Calm Cash Flow workshop on January 7th. When you introduce aromatherapy with your money, we have a community called the Smell of Money. You can join for free. You do a 7-day conscious spending challenge. You go into the classroom and you pair your money archetype, there's 7 to choose from, with 7 wealth activation codes. And if you want a custom pairing, you can direct message me directly. And there is a strategy. There's clients that are in there that are like, oh, I want to combine all 7 oils. You don't need to do that. 1 oil, 1 activation is enough. You want a scent that signals safety, grounding, confidence. This could be something earthy, warm, stabilizing. What matters is consistency, and you want to listen to your body. So when I first was introduced to aromatherapy, I was introduced to Valor. Valor is a powerful oil. It's a beautiful scent. It has a beautiful color, gorgeous. And blue is my favorite color. The smell is divine. And when I smell it, it just invigorates wealth, calm, strength, bravery. It's just amazing. And it's great for pain too. Get a little sore neck and I'll put it on there. So when you find a scent that you connect with, use that in a daily ritual. So we call this an aroma reset. And you can do this as many times as you want throughout the day. But when you're feeling anxious and you're like, I'm waiting for that $10,000 payment to come in from that client. I talked to them 2 days ago. How come they haven't paid yet? I got to pay the bills. I got to pay my rent. I got to whatever. You feel that energy rise, that nervous system, that anxious. Calm down. Take a big deep breath in through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Repeat 2 more times. You could rub your hands together. Get the body moving with you. And then I just want you to look at your bank account and give thanks. Be grateful. I don't care if there's a penny in there, a negative balance. I want you to look at that and just thank money for always being there for you. And I want you to receive the thoughts that come through. And as you're receiving the thoughts, you're just going to say, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. If you're familiar with this practice, that is the Ho'oponopono practice, the Hawaiian reconciliation practice, and it is powerful. It immediately calms that nervous system and it centers you so that you can stay focused. Because when your mind is constantly worried and in chaotic thoughts, you can't focus on how to manage your money. And the shame and the guilt that comes with, oh, man, I just got paid and my money is gone again. This helps you make a financial decision that's in alignment with what your desires are. And your brain begins to associate money with calm, money with clarity, and money with control. Because money wants to be bossed around by you. So during the Calm Cash Flow workshop, we're going to be diving into this. We're going to be doing an aromatherapy practice. We're going to calm that nervous system. We're going to give you clarity and confidence with your cash so that it overflows into your life. So when you get paid, instead of thinking, what am I going to do with my money? I got to pay my bills. You're going to allocate it exactly where you need to create that life of financial freedom. One intentional action, one intentional decision. And this is how wealth codes are built, through repetition, not force. Your wealth code isn't mystical. It's the pattern your body runs around money. When you smell the same scent while taking empowered money action, you're training your brain to expect success instead of stress. And over time, money stops feeling heavy, you stop avoiding it, and decisions become faster and cleaner, and you start trusting yourself again. And that's true wealth activation. So you may have seen content like, use this scent to attract money. Scent without strategy is just hope. I can do this. I can put Valor on every single day and do my money affirmations and nothing else. Do you know how much money I'll get? Because I didn't take the action. Money wants direction. It wants a job. It wants you to be the boss. Strategy without nervous system regulation leads to burnout and self-sabotage. It brings you to that space where you want to burn it all down because nothing's working. You don't believe in your services, your product. You're working so hard and you're spending all of your money on bills, putting it back into your business, not cutting yourself a paycheck, not having any fun, not giving. And then you're like, what am I doing this for? This isn't working. I'm going to burn it all down. And then you go after another shiny object. You start a new thing. How many businesses do you have? How many of you started over again? Using aromatherapy to activate your wealth works because it's strategy, practical with emotional, spiritual practice, scientifically proven to regulate your nervous system. And this is why this approach creates predictable cash flow, not just good vibes. So if you're done forcing yourself to be disciplined, if you're tired of knowing what to do but not being able to follow through, if you want calm, confident money decisions without shame, I created the Calm Cash Flow workshop just for you. I'll guide you through regulating your money stress, creating a simple cash flow system, and pairing scent and strategy so your finances feel safe and sustainable. You don't need more willpower. You don't need to hustle. You need a system your nervous system agrees with, because it doesn't matter how much money you have, it's what you do with it.